If you have loaded TAG2 Beta version into many charts already and do not want to redrag new version to each file individually, but most important, do not want to lose the current activation of trade signals, this video will show you how to replace old version with new version without losing or changing anything. If you have multiple MT4 platforms, you will need to check the MQL path of the MT4 platform you like to have new tag in. Go to File, open Data folder. This will be the MQL path. Most important, note down your terminal number. Write down this file path. Now copy and paste your new EA file into expert folder into MQL expert folders. Close your data folder and close your MT4 platform. Now go to your file explorer. Remember to check hidden item box to show hidden folder. Click on C drive. Click on User, Administrator, App Data, Roaming, MetaQuotes, Terminals. If you have multiple MT4 terminals installed, refer to the copied file path previously to identify the right terminal to manage your EAs. After you have identified the correct terminal, copy the TAG2 file name, then delete this file. Replace new version with the previous file name. Close your Explorer and restart MT4. Everything should be replaced properly by now.